I'm Kathy Elliott, independent Norwex sales consultant, and I have done a video about cleaning this very pan. And this was completely coated with the grease stuff that when you're baking, you're frying stuff, and it just gets icky. And kitchen fires are one of the most common fires of burning down a home. So I thought it was really important that we get reminded we need to keep the grease cleaned off the bottom of our pots and pans. I had pulled this out of the cupboard after it had been in the cupboard for at least a year, and I really can't say when the last time I thoroughly really scrubbed it clean before the last time I had used it. It's just an extra pan. I actually have 2 kitchens, twice the fun. But anyway, what I used was the Spearnet. This is 2 of them. They come in a pack of 2. Okay, there's a ball of stainless steel. This is our cleaning paste. That is what I get my spear sponge or Spearnet wet, and then I filled it up with the cleaning paste. And at one point I even put some cleaning paste on my utility brush, and I was cleaning right here because I was really having trouble getting this part clean with the Spearnet, just because of it needed something closer and I could get in there and really scrub it clean. So yeah, this is amazing. Yes, you can still see that there's some baked on parts here. I don't know if I'll ever get those off or not, but it's nice and smooth. It's not sticky. It feels clean. The sides are way, way better. They were just coated, and I could run my fingers around and still feel it. And so now that it's nice and clean feeling, I just feel like I'm in a good spot that I can stop for now. And remember, there's always the 5-minute rule to anything you're cleaning. Once that timer goes off, you are free to stop working on it. Finish it up, put your things away. Or if you decide, oh, I got time, I can still keep working on this, and it's feeling good to get whatever it is that you're working on more finished or completed, then reset the timer. Maybe you need 30 minutes for a pan that is really icky on the bottom, and you're going to need some time. So connect with me, Kathy Elliott. Join the Norwex journey, or get your refill of your cleaning paste. These little jars last about 4 to 6 years. So for some people, if they're really using it a whole lot, it might only last them 3 to 4 years. For some of us, it definitely lasts a while. I clean my sinks, tubs, pots, pans, other things. I have stainless steel pots and pans that I can usually just use the stainless steel Spearnet ball on. But even the bottom of those need to be cleaned from time to time. So cleaning paste for those too. This was just a shocker when I pulled it out, and it was really icky. Also, I did one more thing. I used the utility brush here right in here as well, because I was just having trouble getting this so I could work in the groove there. So for this groove of the pan, I grabbed the cleaning paste and that, or the utility brush with the cleaning paste, and that really helped to get this right inside there. So connect with me in www.norwex, that's norwex.com/Kathy, Kathy Elliott, ELLIOTT. The link is in the description and title of the video here. Thank you. I'm so excited to have this feeling clean and not going to start a grease fire. Have a great day.